What if I told you the dirtiest part of your house, the stairs, are finally about to clean themselves? No hauling a heavy vacuum up and down, no awkward balancing, no skipping stairs because, let's be real, nobody likes cleaning them. Because in 2026, robo-vacuums aren't just rolling around your floor anymore, they're climbing stairs. Yep, meet the Roborock Saros Rover, a stair-climbing robot vacuum that could straight up end dirty stairs forever. Sounds crazy? Stick with me. But first, real quick, if you're into future tech, smart home gadgets, and inventions that make everyday life way easier, hit subscribe and join World Inventions X. We're a new channel breaking down the tech that's about to take over your home before everyone else is talking about it. All right, let's get into why this thing is a total game changer. Think about it. Robo-vacuums have gotten insanely good at cleaning floors. They map your house, they dodge furniture, they empty themselves. But stairs, that's been their kryptonite. Every robo-vacuum hits the stairs, freezes, and turns around like, nope, I'm not built for that. Until now. The Roborock Saros Rover is designed with advanced stair-climbing mechanics that allow it to physically lift itself up steps, one stair at a time, while staying balanced and in control. This isn't some janky hack, this is legit robotics. The Rover uses a combination of powered wheels, adaptive suspension, and smart weight distribution to grip each step, pull itself upward, and land cleanly on the next level. No tipping, no falling, no chaos. Just smooth, controlled climbing. And once it's on the stairs, it cleans them like any other surface, vacuuming dust, crumbs, pet hair, and whatever else ends up there. Which, if you've got kids or pets, you know adds up fast. Now let's talk intelligence, because this thing isn't just strong, it's smart. The Roborock Saros Rover uses advanced 3D mapping and depth sensors to recognize stair height, depth, and layout. It knows exactly where each step begins and ends. Translation: no accidental tumbles, no getting stuck halfway, no panic stops. It plans its route like a pro. Clean the bottom floor? Check. Climb the stairs? Done. Clean the second floor? Already on it. Then it safely comes back down. That's right, it can descend stairs too. Low-key insane. And if you're thinking, okay, but does it actually clean well? Yeah, Roborock didn't play around. We're talking strong suction, precision edge cleaning, and smart pressure control, so it adjusts power depending on carpeted stairs versus hardwood or tile. It doesn't just pass over dirt, it pulls it out. This is huge for homes with multi-level layouts, townhouses, duplexes, or anyone tired of lugging cleaning gear like it's a workout. Now zoom out for a second. This isn't just about one vacuum. This is about robots finally navigating vertical space inside homes. Stairs have always been the last real barrier for home robots. Once that problem is solved, the door opens wide. Laundry robots, delivery bots, home assistants that move freely between floors. The Saros Rover isn't just cleaning, it's setting the stage. And yeah, this could completely change how smart homes are designed moving forward. Now, let's keep it real. This tech won't be cheap at first. Early versions will likely sit at the premium end of the market. And yes, complex stairs or super narrow designs may still challenge it. But that's how every breakthrough starts. First it's expensive, then it improves, then it becomes normal. Just like robo-vacuums themselves. 10 years ago, people said, why would I buy a robot to clean? Now, millions of homes won't live without one. Same story here. Once people see a robot casually climbing stairs and cleaning them better than humans, there's no going back. So, here's the real question. If a robot could clean every floor of your house, including the stairs, completely hands-free, would you trust it? Or does a stair-climbing robot feel a little too futuristic? Drop your take in the comments, I want to hear it. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to World Inventions X, and share this video with someone who absolutely hates cleaning stairs. Because the future of clean homes, it's smart, it's automated, and yeah, it climbs.